7 Basic Rules How to Successfully Invest into Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. 1. Consider your financial situation. Before buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you must thoroughly consider your financial situation. The price of cryptocurrencies is very volatile and sometimes has fluctuations of 10 or more % up and down. It could happen you may not be able to sell your investment at an initial value, but lower. 2. Only invest as much as you can afford to lose. Sometimes could happen that crypto exchange is hacked or so on, and there is no public insurance of your cryptocurrency balance held on a crypto exchange. Also sometimes could happen that your cryptocurrency balance will be 90% of your initial investment. Consider the time horizon of your investment. 3. Make DYOR. DYOR means do your own research. You can do right decision only when you have right information. So you must understand the object of your investment. That means you must compare information from multiple sources. 4. Only you make the investment decision. Never trust someone unknown from the chat. Be very careful about project to invest in. Don't trust trends. Diversify risks. Don't make your decisions under stress. It is always better if you have planned strategy. 5. Use only market-proven crypto exchanges. Before buying Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, make also your own research about crypto exchanges. You can usually choose crypto exchanges in your domestic market or international crypto exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Some of crypto exchanges offers initial bonus or fees discount. For offer from Binance or Coinbase, see getcryptobonus.com or our video description. You can find list crypto exchanges on coinmarketcap.com or similar pages. 6. Never leave your cryptocurrencies on crypto exchange. When you buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, it is recommended to withdraw it to your personal wallet. It could be desktop, mobile or hardware wallet. It is recommended to store cryptocurrency in hardware wallets. See video descriptions for best one. 7. Observe safety precautions. Never share your passwords or recovery phrase to your cryptocurrency wallet. Do not reveal to anyone your cryptocurrency balance. Extra rules. Follow the previous rules. If you follow basic investments and safety rules, the chances of success will be much higher. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you next time. If you like our video, please subscribe or give like to support our channel.